Hello and welcome to my channel. I thought I'd share with you all my next project on my march towards the build up to the 1/35th scale Enterprise. The next project I'm doing after the Good Smile racing car is the Defiant from DS9 from the Star Trek series. It's in 1/1000. It's in 1/1000 scale, so it's not big, but it's very well detailed. So what I have is, with the model, is I have a base, which will be very useful to display it, a load of clear bags, all the different parts that I'll be putting into to keep them all separate so they don't get lost. The instruction sheet, which is very simple, but that's good, because this is aimed at the novice modeler, so that's fine. There's lots of information on there, and you can't really go wrong, you know, so that's that. There's also the painting guide on the back. You can paint it, and there's also the decals for it, which I'll show you in a minute. So that'll be very good. We have the actual ship itself, that's the bottom, I do believe, and that's the top. So that will be painted and detailed, and do a lot of decals on it. There's also the clear parts here, which are very well detailed. I'll be doing some heavy modifications to these, because I'm not happy with the way that they'll look in the model, so I'll be doing a lot of modification, especially to where the engines are. I'll be cutting all that out. I'll be putting some like mesh in there and then covering it up so the lighting will look much better, which I'll show you in a minute, because I'll be doing lighting. And then you have I think those are phasers or floating torpedoes, I'm not sure, but that's the warp engines there as well. All these will be painted and detailed, and I'll share that with you guys. There's also the bigger parts, not much there, but yeah, there's those are the housing for the engines and the weapons, and that's the nose, so they'll all get painted up and detailed, and that will all get lit as well and look really, really nice. That's a metal rod to go in the stand, and goes in there like that. These are the decal sheets. Very well, a beautiful set of decals. There's lots on there. Of course, got the registry name and the NX name, and that's the nose piece there, and all the red striping. You don't need to use different colours if you don't want to. It's already done for you, but you can do. I'm undecided at the moment if I'm going to use those decals or I'm going to use the paints that I purchased, which I've got light grey, I've got medium grey, I've got dark grey, and those will be the three main colours for the body. I've then got clear blue and clear red for the engines and the weapon systems. I've also got copper for the clear part. I've also got the lights, so these are some nice lights. These are red ones. These are red 1.8mm LEDs, and these are blue 1.8mm LEDs. And this whole lot will be put together, and it will look absolutely magnificent. So I want to share that with you guys, and when I've done a bit more on this, I'll let you know. But in the meantime, please feel free to comment and give me your ideas and suggestions or whatever. Until then, take care and have a nice weekend. Bye now.